Teaming and twinning are very important elements of the widening participation part of the proposal. And in looking at how this might operate, obviously we're very conscious of the fact that twinning aims at significantly strengthening, as it were, a defined area of research in an emerging institution. And when we talk about teaming, we're aiming at the creation of new or a significant upgrade of existing centres of excellence that are working in and part of a low-performing member state or region. And when we look at, or when you ask me when the very detailed elements of this proposal might emerge, I would expect those to emerge during the course of the trilogue discussions with the Parliament and the Council. And because I think that there is, particularly in the Parliament, a huge interest and support for this whole area of policy. And the Council now we've had a number of discussions in the Council on widening participation, and particularly those ministers from the newer member states were very anxious that they could tie down exactly what each of these proposals meant, so that they weren't just it wasn't just talk, it wasn't just a proposal that we threw out there, but that in fact behind the proposal there are specific actions that need to be taken, so that we can prove that in actual fact when you do put policies in place it is possible to widen participation and to get a greater family of researchers and institutions into the framework programme. And that's, I think, what you will see during the course of the trialogue discussions.
No supplementary. Thank you very much indeed. The next, Mrs. Riera Madurell.
Señor presidente, señoras comisarias, como ponente del nuevo programa marco Horizonte 2020, tras la aprobación de la propuesta